A brand new dawn, a fresh new start, with open minds and open hearts. In every soul a light will shine. Together we rise in love divine. No matter where you come from, near or far, we're all connected, just as we are. A year of wisdom, a year to heal, with kindness as our common seal. Happy New Year, lift your spirit high, reach for the stars, let your dreams fly.
In every language, every creed, we plant the seeds of hope and good deeds. Compassion flows like rivers wide. In unity, we stand side by side.
Let's build a world where all belong, where every voice becomes a song, a harmony that lifts us all. Together we rise, we will not fall. Happy New Year, lift your spirit high, reach for the stars, let your dreams fly. A year of healing, a year of peace, from every corner, let love increase. So here's to wisdom, kindness and light, a year to live with all our might. With hope and clarity, we start anew. A brighter world begins with you.